Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Jones Knows. It's your boy Tim, your favorite neighborhood flooring installer, coming to you from Delray Beach, Florida, where we just wrapped up a really amazing job. I can't wait to show you. We did some awesome high-end vinyl floor, plus we did a staircase that I am so proud of. Horizontal stainless steel balusters. It's amazing. We're gonna start seeing a lot more of this. I'm gonna start doing this on a lot of my staircases. We do so much iron balusters, and this is a change of pace that I really, really love. So without any further ado, let's hit it.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we can throw it and drive. With the radio so loud they can hear us from now.
All right, so let's take a look at the project. Here we go. This is the Provenza. This is the Provenza vinyl floor. We have 3 levels that we ran the floor throughout. Put a little light on it here. Check that out. Oh, love the kitchen. By the way, we didn't do the kitchen. We do kitchens, but we just didn't do this one here. Love the kitchen. The floor looks great. Running throughout the whole first floor here. Gotta love the view. Let's check out the cool step down that we did. This is the deco style, not the traditional stairs that we do on the steps a lot, but this is an option that you have for your staircases when we fabricate them, when we make them. But it just goes straight down. A little different than the one that wraps back around. Very, very modern. Coming through, coming through. There's Hunter working hard, or hardly working, just finished up for the day. He's ready to hit the car and get out of here. So here is the awesome staircase. A nice change of pace from the iron balusters that we do all the time. Used to do a lot of the cable rail, as you'll see in some of my pictures and on the website, but the rods I think are a lot more stable. They don't come loose over time, and it's a super modern, clean look. I love the smaller posts with it. When we first started doing the rods, we were doing a lot of metal posts, but the wood got a lot more popular because you can stain it and match the floor. What I like about these is they're not oversized and they don't you don't drown the balusters out. So this is a nice subtle look. And then when we do the waterfall handrail down the side, it makes it look a lot chunkier at the bottom. And one of my favorite rails to work with, it's a little different than just a plain rectangle. It has that nice hand grip in it when you hold on to it. So it gives you a nice feature there. And of course, if you watch the channel, you know the stairs. We do them all the time. This is nothing but the vinyl on the steps. We actually bend it and form it to the shape of the steps. It looks amazing. No tripping hazard here, no extra stair nose to add to any of the steps. It's just the vinyl. And of course, if you want this for your staircase, we sell them and we ship them worldwide. Just tell us what vinyl you want us to use. We'll buy it and send it to you just like this. And of course, you know, we do the white riser. I prefer that, especially you have the white sides already. It all looks like one piece. And as we go up the staircase, a whole lot of handrail in this house. Handrail section number 2. Keep a count. There's plenty more where that came from. And this is interesting. We have almost a wraparound step here. Yep, it is a raised closet. Everybody should have a raised closet. Pretty interesting. And we have a couple bedrooms on the second floor. We're not done with the floors yet either. We have 3 to go, or 1 more to go on a 3-story house. I'm glad there's not 3 more to go. I wouldn't have made it through this job. And of course we ran it throughout. You know, we don't use moldings anywhere. You see it just flow from room to room. That's how we do it here, you know that. And not even in the bathroom doorways. Look at that, nice and tight. We try to do it custom, even with the vinyl floor, of course. An interesting thing about this floor, they had glue-down wood floor. Glue-down wood floor. So what's interesting about that? They had it in the closet. Well, interesting because it was a nightmare removing. I'd rather rip up tile any day of the week, of course. But they had it in the closets, right? So when you have it in the closets and you have your built-ins on top of it, it is always a challenge. Check that out. We got it under under the built-ins. We didn't take these built-ins out, but it is actually under them. Check that out. That is pretty cool. That was a lot of work. You can't tell when you look at it when it's finished, but it was a lot of work to make it look like it goes under those built-ins without removing any of these, because that would have been a lot of work, and we already are into a lot of work, but we don't need to create extra. So I said there's a lot of handrail. That was number 2. Here is handrail section number 3 as we go up the stairs. Number 3, and then there's a loft. Check that out. A whole nother area. Now, the interesting thing about this loft is this is the only home in the neighborhood with a loft, because this was an attic. This is awesome. This is really cool. This was all attic space here. I'm standing in an attic basically. Every other home in the whole neighborhood, this is their attic. We did all the railing up here. So that's section 3, this is section 4. Another interesting fact, the original handrail that was here went straight across and ended at this wall. So you had a no man's land out there, I call it, where you had a flooring area that you couldn't get to. It was crazy, it was weird, it was awkward, and it just looked strange, especially when you're downstairs looking up at it. And we reimagined the whole staircase railing and wrapped it around. So now you literally gain 20 square feet after we're done. How about that? Yep, we added value to the home. That's awesome. Whenever you can get more square feet out of your living space, that's a plus. So check it out. This is the second floor. Now, what we did here, we did everything on the rail. They had iron balusters before, and we replaced the knee wall on the bottom, all the posts, and we even redid most of the stringers. The way they had it set up before, it was an awkward fit, and we couldn't get the post to sit right, so we doubled up a lot of the stringers here. Under this knee wall, we put a second stringer, so we're able to center all of our newel posts on it and drop them right in. This is a really secure. I got iron baluster staircases that aren't even this strong. This is some seriously strong railing. You wouldn't think so because of the little posts, but this is one of my more solid railings we've done in a while. So I love it. This is something we're going to start doing on a lot of our jobs now. I've done so much iron balusters for a while. If you're watching this channel and you want a staircase like this, drop us a line. These are in stock and ready to be installed. And we can usually, from the time you place an order, we can usually have you installed within the month. So this is the job. This is the Provenza, my favorite vinyl floor, with some awesome stair railings. So what'd you think? I absolutely love that staircase. I'm really proud of it. I think it came out amazing. I know the customer loves it, and that's what matters most. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out all of our other content. We have lots of great videos just like this on how to install floors. We review floors. We show you staircases and much more. So please like, share, tell your friends and family. And of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor mount and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.